Hello all, this is Henry Duru making a presentation on the eye anatomy. So, I'm going to talk about the different parts of a healthy eye. In the eye structure, there is the anterior segment and there is the posterior segment. And I'm also going to talk about other parts of a healthy eye that doesn't fall within the anterior and the posterior segment. So, in the anterior segment, there is the cornea, the iris, the pupil, the lens, the trabecular meshwork, the aquarius. And in the posterior segment, there is the vitreous, the retina, which is the rods and cones and the macula, and the retinal vasculature, and the optic nerve head. So in the anterior segment, there is the aquarius, which is a fluid in the anterior segment that is constantly being produced and drained out. In the anterior segment, there is also the crystalline lens, which is positioned behind the iris. The lens has the ability to change shape and increase its dioptric plus power to focus light at near. This is called accommodation. As a person approaches 40, the ability to change shape and focus at near is lost, and presbyopia develops. At this point in life, reading glasses or bifocals are prescribed by the eye care professional. In the anterior segment is also the cornea. The cornea is a very specialized tissue. It's the only transparent tissue of the body. Blood vessels are not found in the cornea. Nourishment and oxygen are received through the tears with which it is in direct contact. In the anterior segment is also the iris, which acts as the diaphragm, which controls the aperture, much like in a camera. The pupil is the actual door through which light enters the eye. The pupil is also found in the anterior segment, and the pupil is the actual door through which light enters the eye. Next is the trabecular meshwork, which constantly produces and drains the aqueous fluid. The ability to produce and drain the aqueous efficiently has a direct effect on the intraocular pressure. Next, we're going to talk about the posterior segment of a healthy eye. The posterior chamber is where the ciliary body produces the aqueous, which flows forward through the pupil and into the anterior segment. In the posterior segment, we have the vitreous, the retina, the retinal vasculature, and the optic nerve head. I can remember vividly seeing the optic nerve when we dissected a cow eye. So the vitreous is the gel-like substance behind the lens that fills the posterior chamber. The vitreous is susceptible to hemorrhage from retinal diseases such as diabetes, or scarring from traumatic injury, or congenital problems such as retinopathy of prematurity. The vitreous can be surgically removed and replaced with other fluids. The optic nerve. The optic nerve is responsible for funneling all the information from the retina and sending it to the occipital cortex via the visual pathway. Much like the electrical cable sends the electricity to the appliance being used. Next is the retinal vasculature. The retinal vasculature provides essential nourishment to the retina. The retinal blood vessels do not enter into the area of the macula. The macula is nourished by the choroidal blood vessels. The retina, in its most simplistic form, is composed of two different cells, the cones and the rods. The cones provide detailed vision and color vision, while the rods provide night vision and global movement. The cones are concentrated in the macular region and the rods are found away from the macula. Other parts of the eye that I would like also to discuss is the sclera. The sclera is also known as the white of the eyes. It is, as you may have guessed, the white part of the eye that surrounds the iris and the pupil. The sclera does not collect visual data itself. Instead, it acts as a tough protective membrane for the eyeball. Only the outer part of the sclera is white. The interior of the membrane is brown and wraps around the clear inner chambers of the eye, which allows light to pass through. I also want to talk about the conjunctiva part of the eye. The conjunctiva is the surface of the eye and of the inner eyelids. It's covered by a clear protective membrane. The surface of the eye and of the inner eyelids is covered by a clear protective membrane called a conjunctiva. This is where the word conjunctivitis, which is a scientific name for pink eye, comes from. Conjunctivitis means simply inflammation of the conjunctiva. The conjunctiva is lubricated by several substances produced by the body to keep the eye in good working order. These substances, which include mucus, oil, and a water solution, prevent the eye from drying out and protect it from surface irritants. Thank you all for listening. I hope you'll be able to learn a lot from this my discussion of the eye anatomy. Thank you, and see you next time.